Hi guys, take a look at this video. I don't understand this, and I have never seen a thing like this. I don't know if this thing is good, I don't know if it's bad, but please, if you are a spiritual somebody, you understand, and you know the meaning of this thing, please, you can educate us on the comment section. So according to the story, this young man said that since ever his wife delivered this child, that different types of birds have been visiting the child. Different type of birds that have been visiting this child, to the extent they say, okay, let's video this and keep, because they keep coming all the time, and anytime they visit this child, they always feel comfortable. You can see it here now. You can see this one, you are going to see another one. Different types of birds, you understand. And some people begin to advise them that this thing is not good, while some people say that this thing is good, that this child is a great child, you understand. So please, I will allow you guys to watch this video. Maybe after watching this video, if you know the meaning of this thing, you can drop it under the comment section so that we can forward it to them. But if you don't know the meaning, please, it's better that you did not say what you are not sure of. Let's just watch this video, and after watching this video, please do not forget to follow our page for more updates. Let's go there, guys.
No, let me release it.
Leave him.
No, let me release it. Waiting for it. These are white birds. You can't be feeding them. Let me release it. You see it. Okay. It is very comfortable here like this. Understand, but once you touch it now, it might fly. But if it's like this, it can be like this. You go and come back, it will not move. Yes, you see, it's like this, so it will not move, it will not go anywhere, it will be like this. But if you carry it out now, it will fly. But like this, it is. You come and catch it, you carry her with this Peking, you go everywhere, it will never fly. See, for those of you asking, how does it enter? This can be do, which can be to this.
Baby dog.
No, this one is baby dog. This one is a baby dog. A big bed. And a small bed. Go. Go now. Video the bed. Which color it is? And at the same color with me now about Pluto. See the tail. I swear to God.
Red tail.
She no one fly me. Me now tell to fly. Eh? Tell to fly. No one fly.
You don't go.
See. Wow, what do?
Leave him.
No, let me release it.
Leave him.
No, let me release it. Waiting for it. These are white birds. You can't be feeding them.
Anyway guys, I believe you guys have watched this video. Thank you for watching. Please do us a favor, you that have watched this video now, what is your thoughts concerning this video? What do you have to say concerning this? Do you think that these birds are ordinary birds? Do you think it's a blessing, or do you think that maybe it's something that is going to harm the baby? You understand? Please, if you know the meaning of this thing, drop it under the comment section. But this baby is cute too. This baby is cute too. Baby girl. Anyway guys, I'm going to see you guys in another video. I'm coming to update you guys. More of our video is coming.